This is your Donnelsville Elementary Announcements.
Good morning, Donnelsville. This is Mrs. Strader broadcasting live from Donnelsville Elementary. Today is Tuesday, February the 28th, 2012. Welcome to our substitutes today, Mrs. Hughes and Mrs. Bicknell. Hey, all right, let's celebrate some birthdays this morning. Xavier. Hey, Xavier, whose room are you in?
Mrs. Howard.
And how old do you turn today?
7.
All right, you have a happy birthday today. Then we have Ethan. Ethan, whose room are you in?
Miss Evanston.
And how old are you turning today, Ethan?
6.
All right, happy birthday. And we have one more birthday. She's also a new student. You may not recognize her. Miss Michaela. Michaela, whose room are you in?
Mrs. Morris.
And how old are you turning today?
7.
All right. Well, welcome to Donnelsville and happy birthday. All right, tomorrow we will be wearing green. I hope everybody today remembered their crazy or mismatched socks. Okay? I've seen a lot of them. Hey, we are going to be enjoying a little story after our announcements this morning. It's going to be Fox and Socks. And Mrs. Mullins, our librarian, is going to be our guest reader today. All right. Yesterday, we had a great hat day. Again, thank you to Mrs. Cornett for being our guest reader. Somebody forgot their hat in the upstairs boys' restroom yesterday. It says Aiden on it. So if you're Aiden and you left your hat, you can come claim it after announcements today. Tomorrow, we're going to read Green Eggs and Ham. That's a favorite. And it's Green Day. So everybody wear green tomorrow. On Thursday, kindergartners, you'll be back on Thursday. Thursday, we're going to wear clothes that have words on it. Okay, so anything that has words on it, because we're going to read Dr. Seuss's ABCs. Now, we have a few other things here. Y'all here? Can you tell us what's for lunch today?
Hamburger.
All right, sounds good. Lucy, what about our weather?
Mostly cloudy.
But it's going to be, I think, pretty nice out. Kind of warm up this afternoon. So, Jaden, what are we going to do about recess?
Outside.
All right, that sounds fabulous. Teachers, after announcements today, after we get done with the story, I need to take some pictures of some new students so that we can get them in the yearbook. Boys and girls, the yearbook orders are due Friday. Yearbooks are $20. They include students from Medway Preschool as well as Donnelsville, Park Lane, and New Carlisle. So if you have brothers or sisters or cousins in another building, they're going to be in the same yearbook. I want to make sure that all of you are in the yearbook. So these students, please come to the library right after the story this morning. Again, if I read your name, I need you to come to the library right after announcements, and we will take your picture for the yearbook this morning. All right, let's get to our hot ticket winners quickly. Hot ticket winners, please come over. Tell us your first name and your teacher's name. Come on over.
Grace in Miss Harrison's class.
Great. Nice job, Grace.
Avery from Mrs. Mullins' class. Gracie. Levi from Mrs. Bond's class. Vanessa from Mrs. Massey.
All right, great job, hot ticket winners. All right, at this time, hey, we'll be standing for the pledge, and then again, we'll be coming back for our story. So thank you for joining us on another edition of the Donnelsville News. Have a great day. Remember, we're all here to learn.
And since we're celebrating Dr. Seuss this week, and we're doing Crazy Sock Day today, I have selected Fox and Socks for our story today. Now there's two main characters in this book, Mr. Fox and Mr. Knox. And this is the way the story goes. Fox, socks, box, Knox. Knox in box, Fox in socks. Knox on Fox, in socks, in box. Socks on Knox, and Knox in box. Fox in socks, and box on Knox.
That's a lot of words. I have that book at home.
It gets more. Chicks with bricks come. Chicks with blocks come. Chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come. Look, sir, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir. Let's do tricks with chicks and clocks, sir. First, I'll make a quick trick brick stack. Then I'll make a quick trick block stack. You make a quick trick chick stack. You can make a quick trick clock stack.
Oh, that's hard work.
This is a tongue twister, isn't it? And here's a new trick, Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. Fox on clocks, on bricks and blocks. Bricks and blocks on knocks, on box. Now we come to ticks and tocks, sir. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, sir. Clocks on fox tick, clocks on knocks talk. Six bricks tick, six chicks talk. Whew, glad to be through that one. Please, sir, I don't like this trick, sir. My tongue isn't quick or slick, sir. I get all those ticks and clocks, sir, mixed up with the chicks and the ducks, sir. I can't do it, Mr. Fox, sir. I'm sorry, Mr. Knox, sir. Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. New socks, two socks. Whose socks? Sue's socks. Yes. Who sews whose socks? Sue sews Sue's socks. Who sees let's try that one again. Who sees whose new socks, sir? You see Sue sews Sue's new socks, sir. That's not easy, Mr. Fox, sir. Who comes? Crow comes. Slow Joe Crow comes. Who sews Crow's clothes? Sue sews Crow's clothes. Slow Joe Crow. Sue sews whose clothes? Sue's clothes. Sue sews socks in fox in socks now. Slow Joe Crow sews knocks in the box now. Sue sews rows on Slow Joe Crow's clothes. Fox sews hose on Slow Joe Crow's nose. Hose goes, rose grows. Nose hose goes some, crows rose some. I gotta take a breath. Mr. Fox, I hate this game, sir. This game makes my tongue quite lame, sir. Mr. Knox, sir, what a shame, sir. Stop it. Stop it. That's enough, sir. I can't say such silly stuff, sir. Very well then, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's have a little talk about Tweedlebeetles.
Battle.
What do you know about Tweedlebeetles? Well, when Tweedlebeetles fight, it's called a Tweedlebeetle battle. And when they battle in a puddle, it's a Tweedlebeetle puddle battle. And when Tweedlebeetles battle with paddles in a puddle, they call it a Tweedlebeetle puddle paddle battle. And when beetles battle beetles in a puddle paddle battle, and the beetle battle paddle is a puddle in a bottle, they call this a Tweedlebeetle bottle paddle puddle paddle battle muddle. And when beetles fight these battles in a bottle with their paddles, the bottle's on a poodle and the poodle's eating noodles, they call this a muddle puddle tweedle poodle beetle noodle bottle paddle battle. And now wait a minute, Mr. Socks Fox. And that's Mr. Knox talking. When a fox is in the bottle, see, Mr. Knox has had it. He's going to put Mr. Fox in that bottle.
Uh-oh.
When a fox is in the bottle where the Tweedlebeetles battle, and their paddles in a puddle on a noodle-eating poodle, this is what they call a Tweedlebeetle noodle poodle paddled, muddled, duddled, fuddled, wuddled, fox in socks. Sir. Fox in socks? Our game is done, sir. Thank you for a lot of fun, sir. And that was Fox in Socks.